Hi guys, today we learn about how to fix Opera browser is lagging, freezing or slow working on your Android phone. So how to fix this issue? First of all, you need to restart or power off your mobile. After restarting or power off your mobile, you open again Opera browser and check it is working properly or not. If still it is not working, then you go to the settings. Click more settings, open app manager. Here is the all app. Now find Opera and open. Click storage. Click clear cache. Now just restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, Opera is working properly without lagging or freezing. So this is how you can solve your problem. Thanks for watching.